Ardia, what is the capital of Afghanistan?
Kabul,
Algeria,
Algiers,
Albania,
Iran,
America,
Washington DC,
Andorra,
Andorra la Vella,
Angola,
London,
Antigua and Barbuda,
St. John's,
Argentina,
Buenos Aires,
Armenia,
Yerevan,
Australia,
Canberra,
Austria,
Vienna,
Azerbaijan,
Baku,
Bahrain,
Panama,
Bangladesh,
Dhaka,
Barbados,
Barbados Bridgetown,
Belarus,
Minsk,
Belgium,
Belgium, Belarus,
Belize,
Daimopan,
Bhutan,
Thimphu,
Bolivia,
La Paz,
Brazil,
Brasilia,
Bulgaria,
Sofia,
Burundi,
Pitega,
Cameroon,
Cameroon, Cameroon,
Canada,
Ottawa,
Cape Verde, look here, Chile,
Santiago,
China,
Beijing,
Colombia,
Bogota,
Comoros,
Comoros, Moroni,
Costa Rica, Cuba,
Havana,
Cyprus,
Nicosia,
Denmark,
Copenhagen,
East Timor,
Delhi,
Ecuador,
Quito,
Egypt,
Carrier,
El Salvador,
San Salvador,
Estonia,
Poland,
Fiji,
Suva,
Finland,
Finland, Helsinki,
France,
Paris,
Germany,
Berlin,
Ghana,
Accra,
Greece,
Athens,
Greenland,
New York,
Guatemala,
Guatemala City,
Guinea,
Conakry,
Hungary,
Budapest,
India,
New
Indonesia,
Jakarta,
Iran,
Tehran,
Iraq,
Baghdad,
Italy,
Rome,
Ireland, Ireland,
Dublin,
yes, Jamaica,
Kingston,
Japan,
Tokyo,
yes, Kuwait,
Kuwait,
Kyrgyzstan,
Bishkek,
yes, Latvia,
Riga,
Lebanon,
Lebanon,
Lebanon, Beirut, Malaysia,
Peru,
Malaysia,
Kuala Lumpur,
Mexico,
Mexico City,
Micronesia,
Kaliki,
Moldova,
Chisinau,
Monaco,
Monaco City,
yes, Morocco,
Mumbai,
New Zealand,
New Zealand, Wellington,
Nicaragua,
Managve,
Norway,
Oslo,
Oman,
Oman, Muscat,
Pakistan,
Islamabad,
Palestina,
Palestine, Ramallah,
Panama,
Panama City,
Peru,
Lima,
Poland,
Poland, Warsaw,
Portugal,
Lisbon,
Russia,
Moscow,
Rwanda,
Rwanda, Kigali,
Serbia,
Belgrade,
Singapore,
Singapore,
South Korea,
South Korea,
South Korea,
yes,
Spain,
Madrid,
Sudan,
Khartoum,
Switzerland,
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 Oman,
yes, Bern, Syria,
Damascus,
Taiwan,
Taiwan, Taipei,
Tanzania,
Tuvalu,
Dodoma,
Dodoma,
Thailand,
Bangkok,
Togo,
Togo,
Tunisia,
Tunis,
Turkey,
Turkey, Ankara,
UK,
London,
yeah, UK,
London,
Ukraine,
Kiev,
Uruguay,
Montevideo,
Vatican City,
Vatican City,
Venezuela,
Caracas,
Yemen,
Sanaa,
Zambia,
Zambia, Lusaka,